Hello everyone, we want a presentation about PBL. Teller proxy protect locally running web service against a web-based attack. We RKS PBL 605. And we have a Mampro is Muhammad Idris STR MTR.com. And me Dina Tesalonika, Salomita Joyce Rom Dudu Sihotang, Jessica Simanjuntak, Luis Bintano, Erlangga Handana Seto, and Johan Situmorang. Okay, the first one, Teller proxy is the reverse proxy designed to protect web service running locally from various types of web-based attacks, such as XSS, SQL injection, path traversal, small DDoS, and others. And we have main function. The first one is detect and block common web attacks in real time. The second one, use threat intelligence source to filter out suspicious requests. And the third one, protect on-premise application without having to change the application code. For implementation of improvement is using Docker as a containerization platform, and the target app that was secured was OWASP JuiceSoft, and which it's a web application with many security vulnerabilities as testing materials.
Okay, so the project output that to be generated is a Dockerized Teller proxy system, ready to run reverse proxy system in Docker containers, easy to use and deployed. The second one is integration with Web Vulnerability App or JuiceShop to complete a configuration to get a JuiceShop app and running behind Teller proxy so that the traffic can be filtered and monitored. The third one is attack logs and detection. To put the output in the form of a log of capture attacks by Teller, containing information on the source of the attack, the type of the threat, and the time of the incident. Next, we have our project achievement that we've got so far. The first one is we've made a Docker file that contains build instruction for creating a proxy server, a Docker build used for Docker files and generating image. Docker image is the result of a build is a ready-to-use image that can be run anywhere. The fourth one is a Docker container where the image is then run in the form of a container, which is a Teller runtime environment. The fifth one is reverse proxy to JuiceShop. This container will act as a proxy for the OSAP application to the JuiceShop to filter incoming traffic and detect attacks. Here's our project achievement so far, and here's our JuiceShop dashboard. Next, we have our on Docker the container runs. This is our containers, and we already have a JuiceShop in it and an Elastic Gangly for Teller proxy.
And the next, Docker run Teller proxy, and the start Docker proxy, and the picture is a website OSP JuiceSoft and localhost 8080. And the next, the test detection of attack on JuiceSoft on Teller proxy is we run towards we did attack test on the JuiceSoft web. We enter experiment or 171 and the password and submit. And the next, lastly, this is our goal process. In the planning with the main goal of building proxy receiver system using Taylor and analysis. And 2. Mark it as a common web attack with the message detect basic SQL attention bypass attempts. And the next obstacles in the Taylor proxy project. The first is build and deploy the Docker. Error is in the Docker such as incorrect base image version or unavailable dependencies can cause the build to fail. Builds can be slow in if they don't use efficient change or layers. And 2. Complex proxy configuration. The Taylor proxy needs to be configured correctly in order to forward requests to the JSON. And 3. Docker network must ensure the network setting in Docker Compose YAML correct and consistent. And the last, integration with JSON. JSON has many endpoints that can trigger false positives from Taylor, and whitelisting or adjustments must be made so that not all requests are considered urgent. And the next lookbook, we have planning and analysis. Okay, that's our presentation and the result of our project. Thank you.